Hi and welcome to Marie Burke Art. This video shows you how I create the light and dark tones within each petal on this Red Dahlia using a wet into wet technique. I add a water glaze to each petal first, and then I apply my red mix into the darker areas on the petal. I then clean off my brush and come back in with it just barely damp and clean, and pull the dark paint out into the rest of the petal to create the lighter areas. I keep a kitchen towel handy so that I can continually clean off my brush. As I'm blending the darker paint out, I'm continually picking up a fair bit of paint on my brush, and I need to keep wiping this off so that I don't pull too much of the dark mix into the lighter areas. With a clean brush, I just gently blend the edges of the darker mix in towards the lighter parts of the petal, making sure that I've got a nice smooth transition between the lighter and darker areas on it. So you really don't want too much water on each petal as they're quite small areas. You just want to judge it so that you have enough to keep your paint wet while you move it around and blend it into the lighter tones. The full tutorial for this Red Dahlia is 2.5 hours long and takes you through the mixing processes for your dark and light reds, and also of course the central stamen area as well. I continue working like this all the way around my flower, making sure that I leave a space next to each petal while I allow it to dry. And then once I've painted in all my petals the whole way around, I come back in with quite a saturated mix of my dark red and use it wet onto dry to really deepen up the darkest shadows and details. So this is usually at the base of the petals where one is overlapping another and a shadow is cast. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you would like to paint the whole step-by-step tutorial, it's available inside the Watercolour Members Club. The link is below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and technique videos. Thanks for watching and goodbye for now.